Okay, that looks sick. Let's put these bolts on, see how they actually go in. Just push it on there.
Yeah, that's lining up.
No, the other one, yeah. Just push it on there. Let me put a couple of bolts in there. Just hand tighten it first so don't cross thread anything.
Yeah, it's high enough now.
No, I put it a little high, that's all.
That's good enough.
It'll look alright.
Any higher than this, it looks too big.
Oh yeah. Come down a bit and down a bit, that's it. And my left hand on it, so. You can always pull it through afterwards. Where are you gonna have to fish the hole? Okay, you're gonna have to do a little bit of. Now let me have a look at this.
Going more up a bit.
Okay. So. This should be more than good enough. Okay, that side's done. Just got a bit more left on this side. That's done. I heard these washers. Actually, just say. Come on, tighten up. Alright guys, this is all tightened up, ready to go on the car. The stud rivets underneath, they've been put on as well. There's one here, there's one here, there's one at the bottom and on this side, and we're going to bang this back on the car basically. Right, and we're going to take it from there. So let's take this off. I need a 10mm spanner, I think.
10mm spanner.
Yeah, it's got me a 10mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep your hand on this. I'm going to take these brackets off. Make something look nice, obviously. This is what they say. You want to make something look nice, you gotta take some time. Okay, come on this side, let me take that side off. Just hold that side. Just hold it there. Yeah. Righty ho. Yeah, black goes well with red.
Yeah, it goes pretty nice.
The Allen keys look really nice. They look better than 10mm bulbs. Right. Righty go, righty ho.
It's not heavy, is that?
No, just right. We can make it as heavy as you want. Actually, I think it's just bang on.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It's just perfect. Open the door. And shut that stereo volume down as well. Yeah guys, this is all looking cool and good. Hopefully when we bang it on, it should suit the car. Kid wanted to give the blade a bit of black, but good choice. Red's not very noticeable. Okay, let me just put it over there. You need to pop some holes in that. Smack this on the table. Rightio, this will look nice hopefully once it goes on there. Look at that. You let it work itself, don't try putting too much pressure on. Very sharp. Roll the holes in. Let's see if the spoiler lines up to it. Right guys, just using a bit of degreaser just in case it's got anything on there. Kids have been working on the brakes, so in case they've been touching their hands on the actual panel, it'll just stop the adhesive from sticking. And the holes are all done. Edges, we're going to use a bit of polyurethane sealer, so that should do the job. Okay, Austin, don't get your hands dirty. You need to smack this on the just drop it on the edges, not too far. So it'll sit in its place anyway. I don't think it's gonna go here and there anyway. It'll just sit in its place. So will look.
So with this.
No, that's where it should be. Alright. What size bolts are going to go in this 10mm?
Yep.
Okay, we need some bolts. You want to hold on to
I'll
this?
hold this way.
You hold the hatch. Go on the other side.
I need to put this down to move over.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Let me just check this out, see if the holes are lining up. I can push it a little my way. Yeah, okay, hold it. A bit more. No, my way. Oh, too much. Okay, hold it then. Look at the sealer on the outside. Yeah? Through the washer.
Yeah.
You got no worries of water leaks. No, no, don't start doing silly things like that. Okay, mission it is. It's all sorted out, fitted nicely. Ask him grab my phone from there. Yeah, this is looking up good basically. Car needs obviously a wash, there's plenty of dust in the garage. But other than that, spoiler itself is coming up really nice. Got a bit of adhesive on there. You know, watch this adhesive when you put it on. I'll put some polyurethane adhesive on there, and as you can see, got nice even gaps all the way around. Right, what I had to do was, being that this is not a okay, hold on. You got the battery off? Yeah. Put the battery on. Yeah, the black really goes well basically with the actual panoramic roof. Show you guys what's been done underneath. What I done was, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I think we got some light.
Yeah.
Right. You can see the washers there. Now what we've done is there's a bolt right here with washers on there. There's another bolt here with washers right there, and another bolt right there with washers, and so on, basically right at the front. These were obviously stud riveted, put some Allen keys and normal 10mm bolts on there. You could use anything really, but yeah, that's been secured up. I also added a bit of adhesive on there basically, so when it cures up, obviously it's a large spoiler, you get a lot of, you don't want any vibration or anything like that on it, so that prevents it from doing it. So I didn't have to take a lot off in order to do this basically. And these bolts are going to go back in. One's going to go right in here at the edge. Alright. I'm just going to seal this off properly. If I can manage to get it in there. Yeah, that's in. This needs to get ratcheted up. Run the ratchet on this. I can put the other one in as well. I think it should be just there at the top. Actually, have I got it in my hand? Yeah. So this, let's tighten now properly, and yeah, I got it. Give it. Yeah. Let me get a few threads. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Put these back in. Ratchet it back up. Normally, put a bit of adhesive around where the holes were as well at the top, so you got no chance of any rain going through it. But other than that, this has come out really good and solid. Alright, that, oh, you got, yeah, that's shut. Yeah, this looks really nice. Basically everything is slowly going back on, the cap's back on. As you can see, these door handles have been done as well. Alright, so just, yeah, that looks like it's good basically, but we're gonna make a proper video afterwards of it. As I said, everything's a mess at the moment, right? Because Obviously it's getting worked on at the moment and everything, but it should look nice. I mean, it's got dust everywhere at the moment, it just needs to get washed off. Right, but it's a garage, so you would expect a lot of that. And a nice cut and polish by the time it's finished off. And that will set it off really, really nice. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Another couple of days, should have everything on. And it should be out on the road, then I can make a better video out of it. So, God bless. Do subscribe. I'll see you guys a bit later.